Note: Centerline adjustment tag does not need to be removed to install new centerline adjustment components. A replacement is included in case the tag is damaged. Caution: retract arms and disconnect hydraulic power before servicing centerline adjustment mechanism to avoid injury or damage to equipment. Remove both centerline adjustment nuts. Remove both centerline adjustment screws. Take care to prevent anything from entering the empty holes. Remove socket head screw and threaded insert. Take care to prevent anything from entering the empty holes. Install new threaded insert and secure with new socket head screw. Install new centerline adjustment screws. Install new centerline adjustment nuts. Set zero position, open retract arms, and loosen locking nut before making any adjustment. SFA models include our visible zero feature. The centerline adjustment mechanism is in the zero position when the adjustment screw and nut are flush on top, so it can be confirmed visually.